welcome back. So today's video is part 3 of my Dollar Tree haul. I don't have a whole lot left, so it shouldn't take me too long to get through it. I'm just going to go ahead and start showing you what I got, and nothing is in any particular order. So the first thing that I got is this LA Colors Velvet Lip Mousse lipstick. It's in the color Whipped, and it says velvety matte texture. There is 0.07 fluid ounces, and I think this is a really pretty color. I really like that dark red color. I love the show Riverdale, and if you guys are familiar with the show Riverdale, then you know who Cheryl Blossom is, and I just love her lipstick. She always has a dark red matte lip, and I think it is so pretty, especially, I mean, she's a redhead just like me, and you know, usually redheads don't wear red lipstick, but it looks so good on her. And I think I read online that she wears, the brand is Lime Crime, but I can't remember what the color is. So anyway, I thought this reminded me of Cheryl Blossom, so I went ahead and grabbed it. Hopefully it looks like the picture, but I don't know. We'll have to see. The next things that I picked up are by Revlon. These are name brand Revlon. It's the eyeshadow. It says eyeshadow loose powder. There's a 0.05 ounces in here. And the only thing is that these do not tell, at least on the packaging. It may on the container after I take it out of the package. Maybe it says on the bottom, but it doesn't say what color they are. So I just went ahead and grabbed one of each color. And this one is sort of a mauve pink color. It does say color charge on the top lid there. So anyway, I'm not sure what the colors are exactly. This one is sort of a gold color. And let's see, this one's sort of a taupey, I don't know, grayish brown color. And then this last one is, it looks like a white, maybe like a pearlized kind of white color. So anyway, I mean, I've seen these and it says Revlon, and you know, you could buy Revlon at Walmart or Target or CVS or any kind of, you know, drugstore. And I know at, you know, those places it's going to be more than $1. So I went ahead and grabbed one of each of those. I happened to see this loofah soap, and it's the coconut scent. It's 3.5 ounces, and I thought it was really cool looking. And I love anything that is scented coconut or even flavored coconut. I just love coconut. But I have to admit, when I got this home and I've smelt it with the packaging, it's still on here, it's still wrapped. It doesn't smell very well. So I'm hoping that it smells better when I take the packaging off. So I don't know. I hope it smells better, because right now it doesn't smell that great. It doesn't smell like coconut. So anyway, the next thing that I picked up is this shaving cream, and it's the, it says compared to the EOS shave cream. It's the brand Personal Care. There is 7 fluid ounces in here. And I have seen other people haul this. I've never tried it, so I thought I'd give it a try and see if I liked it. I don't know. We'll have to see. The next thing that I got is this Bodycology Coconut Hibiscus is the scent. It's the cleansing shower jelly. There is 8 ounces in here. And I have purchased the Cherry Blossom one from the Dollar Tree. Bodycology is a name brand. I have not tried the Cherry Blossom one yet, but I happened to see this Coconut Hibiscus one and thought I'd go ahead and grab it too. So let's see here. The next thing that I purchased is this e.l.f. makeup brush, and it says on the packaging that it's new, but it says e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Stipple Brush. And I have not ever seen this at my Dollar Tree, and I've never used a stipple brush before to put my makeup on. I'm not real sure how you use it. I may have to watch a YouTube video on how you use a stipple brush. But I thought I'd take it out of the package so that I can see exactly what it looks like. It looks kind of fancy. It says e.l.f. right across there, and it's just black, sleek looking thing. It's really soft, so I don't know if stipple brushes are supposed to be soft. I don't know. But anyway, I thought I'd give this a try and see if I liked it. I'll have to look up a video and see how you use it. The next thing that I got is this little galvanized metal sign, and it's patriotic. It says welcome. It has the little red stars across the top here. But I thought this was really cute. It has a jute twine hanger. I thought this would be cute. I mean, you could just hang it up however. But also if you maybe, wanted to make a patriotic type wreath, you could put this on it. But anyway, I liked it, and it is real metal. It's just really soft, so it bends really easily. Let's see. The next two things that I purchased are these patriotic wind socks. This one says celebrate, and it's got a little bicycle with flowers on there. And so I thought this was really pretty, and I do like to hang up these wind socks. I think they're really cute. It is a pretty good size. It's 48 inches. So I grabbed that one. And then the other one that I got says Faith, Family, and Friends. And this one is my favorite. Especially if you like red farm trucks, you're going to love this. But it has a little golden retriever in the back of that truck bed with the American flag. So I think that is so cute. I just love it. And it's going to look really cute hanging up, for Memorial Day, the 4th of July, and then you have Labor Day. So, you can use this pretty much all summer long. You can just hang it out and have it up all summer long. So, I grabbed that one. And the last two things that I got are these wooden signs, and they are the tags. And they each say USA on there. I think these are done really well. They're a little bit different than how they have normally done the tags. It does come with the jute twine hanger. But if you notice, the hole is so much bigger. Usually on the tags, the hole is a lot smaller than that. And so I feel like the hole is more proportionate, I guess you'd say, to the sign. And it's a pretty good sized sign. I like this one the best, I think, because it doesn't have a whole lot of glitter. The letter U and the letter A does have glitter on it. The S is just plain no glitter. And then these little stars right here, there's 4 of them. They're metal. They're like the raised metal stars. So I really like this one. I think this one is my favorite. The other one is, it just says USA on it. The USA is all in glitter. And then the red stripes are glitter, but the white stripes are not. They are just plain. And then it has the same raised metal stars. I don't know if you can tell that it's raised. The metal stars, and the hole's the same, which, I don't know. I think this is done really well. You wouldn't have to do anything to it. I just really like it. So anyway, that is my haul for today. And I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this video and you like Dollar Tree hauls, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. If you want to be notified when I upload a video, just click the little bell icon. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful week. And I just want to thank you all for watching. Bye!